The former sheriff accused of helping a serial burglar repeatedly evade arrest was in a Nez Perce County courtroom today. Jim Dorion is charged with 3 felony counts of accessory to burglary. KXLY4's McKay Allen was in the courtroom in Lewiston today, and he spoke to Dorion's attorney.
A year ago, Jim Dorion was the Nez Perce County sheriff. Today, though, he was led into a Nez Perce County courtroom, an inmate in the jail he used to run. Wearing an inmate's jumpsuit, Jim Dorion was escorted in by deputies he actually hired.
I think it is odd for him, obviously, to be housed here. But at the same time, I think it's even more odd for the jail staff, because that's the guy who hired them and was their former boss.
Odd's a good word to describe this whole situation. Dorion's back in Idaho to face 3 felony charges of accessory to burglary. Court documents say while sheriff, Dorion withheld information from police and actually assisted a teenage burglar to avoid arrest. While the Idaho Attorney General was quietly investigating those allegations, nearly a year ago, Dorion was confronted about drinking on the job. Days after that, he asked for a medical leave of absence, saying he had pancreatic cancer. He was granted medical leave and simply vanished.
He went down there to go get medical help.
Turns out Dorion was in Louisiana. His attorney says he was seeing doctors, but the Idaho Attorney General's office says he was running from his legal troubles back home.
All they needed to do was contact me and we would have brought him back. That wasn't ever an issue.
But it was an issue. The county commission couldn't find him. The AG's office couldn't find him.
You can surmise all you want. At the end of the day, he was really sick, and I was dealing with him at that time, and he's still really sick.
Sick or not, eventually warrants were issued for his arrest, and Dorion last month was arrested in Louisiana.
I don't have an apology or anything else for it, because that's just what it is. He left to go get medical care.
If he's convicted, Dorion could face 5 years in prison for each of the 3 felony counts. His attorney says he'll remain in the Nez Perce County Jail until the preliminary hearing, which is set on May 6th. Reporting in Lewiston, McKay Allen, KXLY4 HD News.